This is cast iron, and people say cast iron isn't good for the lathe, which is true. I do have bedway wipers on the lathe, and this has already been rough machined, so there's no sand left in the casting. So I'm going to work away without putting rags on the lathe because I don't have a lot of space, but I will clean the lathe carefully once I'm finished machining the cast. And just make sure I have enough clearance. I don't. Okay, that means it's loose. And set the top slide to 0. Roughly 0, doesn't really matter. And that'll allow me to drive it forward. Now that I've changed the angle of the top slide, it means I can move forward enough to get to the back of that part without hitting here. Okay. It's a nice finish. That's enough to get a measurement. I would use a mic if I had one that size. $201.90. Okay. I'll take a facing cut off this just to give myself a good surface, and so that I have a datum to work from when I'm machining my shoulder. You can see that's put on a really nice finish. I sped it up. You can see where I changed the speed just for that portion, because that's going to be roughed out. But that's my 0 datum now on the DRO. So now I'm going to rough it out to the dimensions that I measured from the chuck. If I wanted, I could take about ½ an inch off the thickness. There's plenty of meat on it. It would give me a bit more room between centres and make the chuck lighter, but just in case I make a mess of it the first time, I'm not going to take any more than ½ off it. If I do make a mess the first time, I can machine it again, but I don't want to scrap that part. So you can see there, I have this roughed out. I have 6.5 mil of a step of a shoulder. I've just taken a pass at 25.9 to check if my DRO is reading true. I need to take it down to 125.05. So I'm 125.9 just now. I'm going to sneak up on it, so I'll try 125.1. Okay, I've gotten this to the point now where it fits the shoulder very, very snugly, very close fit. It took a few attempts. I really snuck up and crept up on it. So that's not actually bolted, that's just sitting on the shoulder, but it's quite tight. So now I'm going to mark the 4 holes where I want the bolts to go. So to do this, transfer punch, it's 11 mil.